is my shoe? Where is my clothes?
We dey welcome una come this program again today, special day. The program what we dey call Area Tori, where they come to una from Procyon Radio and Television. My name is Sarah Apple. I dey with my people for studio, Gloria Enoch and also Evelyn Harry. I dey welcome una.
Thank you. We dey greet una.
All right, if una dey watch us for the very first time, I beg make una subscribe, like, share, and also drop your comment. And those who don't dey watch us before, they follow us every time. Want say thank you, thank you, thank you. Just they watch us, they go and make you no forget to drop comment. Make you no forget to share our video and like. Make you no forget say I never subscribed before. Subscribe, I beg. God will bless you. And the Tori what they bring come on our way today. Now the Tori of side chick wey come expose the sugar daddy wey she dey go out with. How she take expose am? I dey follow, make una follow me, Jaje, make I tell una the Tori. As she take expose the sugar daddy. This girl come dey waka with this sugar daddy. They do relationship. The man come dey happy say he don't get side chick. He get, you know say side chick, sugar daddy, meaning that the man gets a wife for house. And then she na young girl wey be say she dey feel very, very vibrant. They feel say yes, I be young girl. You understand? So now the thing don't enter the girl head. The man one day come talk say, he don't they tell us so I beg, they keep am a secret. I beg, they keep this relationship a secret. The thing come enter her head one day. We be say, don't say when the man they give her money, they do better things for her. The thing sweeter now. She no come know as the thing come happen. When the man come tell a family say, if they travel go for outside job, he come carry this lady go hotel. Where be say she no expect say she go see herself. You know, you understand? The thing come sweeter well for belle. She come dey snap picture, she and the man. If you see the man for the picture, where they snap the picture, if you see the man, you go know see him, they wonder, say, make this girl know they snap now. You understand? You want hide. Why they snap now? You understand? But the girl, they happy, they smile. So now the girl snap picture finish. Before you know it, she want make her friends know the high enjoyment where they get. Now she can release the thing for social media. Wow, say see me and my, you understand? See me and my we go enjoy for so place. Now there, now somebody see the picture, come go tell the man wife. Say, Oga, Madam, I see your Oga for social media with the girl where him they date. The man no know. Now the woman say, what do you mean? They show the woman the pictures. He say, okay, I dey wait for her. Today na today. I dey wait for my husband. Immediately the man come house. You know what will happen? Una know now. Make we stop and there. So make we analyze the story, see the reason why this girl go knowing fully well that the man na married man.
The girl, maybe the girl say
pride.
She won't drop the man. For me, maybe she don't want the man again. She won't expose the man.
Okay.
So that the man go. If he expose the man, she don't go. And she don't already get.
She don't already get what she wants. For. Okay. Now another place where
my
angle be that. Okay. You don't open our eyes.
You know, say for among girls, they like to brag for themselves. Now one thing I take see say na pride. If you want take show, tell the other girl say, of me, I don't get big catch.
Okay.
You understand? So now so they do. Because if this one get she might want tell that one say this person will see waiting this person. And if they are miss like this now waiting they now property, waiting they get, waiting they eat, waiting they do or where they enter. Now him be the story be that because the main purpose of going with that sugar daddy now for money.
For money.
So they have to brag with that money.
Okay. Nobody say she ready to marry her. I can't dey think like Gloria talk say maybe she want drop her. So waiting me I can't dey think be say maybe she wan make the man wife finally drop her, so that she go get access to the man completely. Say, if you really love me, you know, say if you, some people, some of them they talk like, if you really love me, if you are you should be proud of me. You should not mind whether you have wife or not. You understand?
And sometimes they know say na marriage men.
They know say na.
No, and some they no reach the wife sef.
Yes.
Not the children, but they no care. What they want is the money.
You see, so now she can't drop her. They waiting happen for their house. They talk say, the woman talk say, oh yeah, Oga, go back to the girl. I been reserve am for now. I'll be one here waiting on go talk.
Okay.
The girl say, oh yeah, go back.
And the wife tell
And the wife say, go back to the girl.
Oh.
You understand? So I bet you know na wife. No matter na anger fit make her talk say go back to the girl.
You understand?
He will still come back to his house. So but waiting comments where people come they talk, many people come they talk, they say, guy, the girl, she really want collect the man from the woman. Make shame catch the woman, make the woman talk, say her hand.
Make it leave. And the woman no go fit leave the man for her.
If it be so, because some of them wey they do like that, like the one where I see recently, she even go the man house, snap with the man's son.
You see?
Snap with the man's son, go post her for social media.
You see?
Now what did she do with that?
So now the thing where they trend be that young girl where you know say you know get you never marry, you go carry sugar daddy, come dey show for social media.
And that particular girl, they very young girl.
You see,
do
then you don't forget say if you show yourself like that, if that relationship can't die, other young men
they no go come your way. And another angle where I see some of them, they get their own boyfriend. This one is source of their income. They feel they collect the money, go they enjoy with that one. So maybe now make she might do that thing too. If at all the man drop her or the wife, she no succeed, keep the man, she go back to her boyfriend.
So
she no lose.
Young man go no say him girlfriend. They follow old man.
Yes, they know.
And him go keep quiet. They allow her make she go. You go bring money, you go collect.
Collect. The two of them go enjoy the money.
So which kind of attitude be that? Give them.
You think say the young boyfriend don't know what they do?
You know.
He know what
they do.
Yes, all of them know what
they do.
So the only thing when time come. When time comes, everybody will come reap where you don't sow. Everybody will come reap where you don't sow. Now, so they take happen because some of them they know. All these boyfriends, they know say their girlfriends they get
another person.
I don't see what we say. The old man sponsor the boyfriend till they marry. The old sugar daddy sponsor the marriage for them.
Many things.
He get money now. He get money.
This one, I wonder, shall never end.
He get money now. Then they use them now. Two of them know now. Then they use them
after the marriage. How their relationship they will come live well.
They live well. Now they agree now. They agree. Say he get now make he bring the money. Like money we want. In fact, I ain't go sponsor this marriage for us.
So, but you know one thing where I see there, the man will ever become a lazy boy. He will become responsibility to that lady.
Now only she should go
look for. Now she will go they look for. Man will do like that if they run away from responsibility.
So now.
So my people now the Tori be that when we carry come today. The Tori get us. If you wait till one tell una be say, make una drop una comments. And the lady will be say. She knows say the man na sugar daddy. Come they snap with am, carry and they post for social media. You don't care whether the children go see, whether the wife of the man go see, whether even her own parents go see. Talk say, hey, why this our pikin go do this kind of thing? No care. Our young girls now, what's the advice you go give them?
Because what I want to talk there be say, if you look around, it just be like saying that the thing where they happen now be that. You go see girl where be say he get her own boyfriend, and you know one thing where they happen now be say girl know the friend one boy. And what thing I discovered be that.
Okay.
You go say A, B, C, D. That is 4. The main one, now be the sugar daddy. The sugar daddy now go pay house for am. Now that one be your oga. That one now they pay house. Inside that house where the sugar daddy they pay for am. You go see carry among these 4. They go if you know say
one after the other.
One after the other, they go visit her for the house. They go they come that house. Then the things where the man they buy keep for the house, those ones they go come.
They chop am.
They chop am. So this one now money back like it to her. And as the sugar daddy, the man they know they think again because then they think say they don't see fine girl and a young girl. Then they always fall for them. So wetin I want advise they no care
because they no say they no go marry them.
They no go marry them. The girls man they no go ready to marry them. They no wan marry them. Now before they go just say if you get money I go marry am. No they no dey even gree marry. They go use your money leave you because you don't get you they go there at the same age with them. So that is the thing now. We tell them go come born your pikin which day you go live.
Na prayer we go dey pray for una.
So wetin I dey advise our children be that abeg
prayer.
make una no too play that kind thing. E no good o. Na make una hear us when we be una parents we no like make una dey do like that. If you get one boyfriend friend that one. So people don say wetin young boy go give you.
You know say some parents.
Say na the sugar daddy na dem dey sponsor them.
Okay. So evening you want
to
to
say some parents na them dey enable this thing.
Na some parents dey push their children.
Because so many parents now they don't ask. They don't dey ask any question.
Okay.
As so far as na the girl.
They bring money.
They bring money. E get one way they say the mother tell her say she want celebrate wetin birthday new or wetin. Say make the girl go look for
money wey she go take do celebration.
Una hear that go give am.
Who dey push am?
Una na
The girl tell the woman wey dey teach them for church say na if they eat for the house na she. And that girl never reach 18, 20. If they eat for house na she. Now the mother say she want to celebrate birthday and na she go.
And they go do
wetin we dey do.
Una dey understand what you are. So some parents are the one na them dey enable these children dey do all this, especially women. You say father hardly you go see say they push their children to that thing, but you see women because they want take show
them belong.
Yeah.
I belong.
So they want
to
push, and
you
at
go
the detriment of
your hand take find money where you go belong. You go come use your own pikin.
So if our mothers go dey look out for this our children, if una dey see one attitude, one or the other, you go say oya o, you go draw the ear. You know because some things they go they hide for you, but make you always tell them that for every action there's consequences.
Yes.
For every action you get consequences when person go face. So now the way how our mother take train us because if she say you want corner like this, you go start to draw your ear. No say that road where you want take see what you go meet for there. So better make you come back. So now so.
All right. Thank you very much for a wonderful advice for studio today. My people, when I don't hear them, I beg, make una drop una comment, make una subscribe if una never subscribe, make una like, share. We there for different social media handle. How you will take it us? My Procyon RTV. Then una will get us for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. We also there for Facebook. We there for all over. Just type Procyon RTV. You go get us. So now I want to say thank you for watching. Make una continue to watch other videos, and I beg don't forget to drop your comments. God will bless you now. I want to thank Gloria for coming to the studio.
Thank you very much.
And Evelyn Harry, thank you for coming. My name is Sarah Agbon. Make una dey shine like the star where una be.
Baby, my salary, I want